2.
Oh, Mary, my mother, please take me to thee. I'm weary and burdened, so please let me be a part of the kinship of time. Let me become one with the heavenly kind. Lord, please let me be a part of the kinship of time, that kinship of time. Let me become one with that kind, that heavenly kind. Lord, please let me be a part of the kinship of time, that kinship of time. Let me become one with that kind, that heavenly kind. Oh, Mary, my mother, you gave birth to him who died on that tree to pardon our sin. Please pardon those misdeeds and lies I have told. Please pardon my envy and pardon my foe. Please pardon those misdeeds, those lies I have told, those lies I have told. Please pardon my envy and foe, my envy and foe. Please pardon those misdeeds, those lies I have told, those lies I have told. Please pardon my envy and foe, my envy and foe. They crucified Jesus, you backed up your Son to guide us the way. When our race is won, my race is now won. I am ready to leave. That angel band is waiting for me. My race is won. I'm ready to leave. I'm ready to leave. That angel band waits for me. It's waiting for me. Oh, my race is won. I'm ready to leave. I'm ready to leave. That angel band waits for me.